Welcome to this video. Today we will show you how to change your email address in the Telegram app on your Android device. Whether you need to update your recovery email or simply change it to a new one, this step-by-step guide will help you do it easily and safely. Open the Telegram app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. Now tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the section called Login Email. Tap on it, then choose Change Email. Enter your new email address carefully. Tap the Next icon to proceed. Go to your email inbox and look for the confirmation code that Telegram has sent. Enter the code into the Telegram app to confirm your new email address. That's it. Your email address is now updated in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.